Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. All right, good morning, bright lights. Let's get some sunshine in and get this day started. Now, first, take a nice deep breath in. Pull it down all the way into your body. And then a nice slow exhale out. Okay, I want another deep breath in. This time we're going to pull it all the way. Pull your shoulders back. Open up that body. Open up everything. We are open for business. Pull that light down and scrub out all that sleep. Let's go. We got a busy day ahead of us. It's going to be awesome. We're going to fire up. So this one's for all the money. Let's go. Pull it in. Light everything up. Get it all the way down to your toes, down to your fingertips, up through the top of your head. Just feel that love and light and energy. Just getting you ready, chomping at the bit to get your day started and bring a lot of fire into your life. So, nice deep exhale out and release. Get everything cleared out. We're going to take a nice adventure today. Get your back straight, feet flat on the floor, eyes open or closed. We're going to go to our crystal pyramid, the one that lives in 5D. So I'd like you to light up your heart chakra and just feel that love and light. Fill it with so much beautiful pink, cotton candy, light as a feather love. Open it up. Just feel that beautiful, warm embrace of your own light. This is all you. Just pull that in. Take a couple of breaths into it. Breathe it in, make it nice and bright. And then on the exhale, just let it flow. Flow all over your body. Another deep breath in. Nice and bright. And then again, let it flow this time outside of your body. Surround your whole energy field. Get that aura glowing and ready. And then one more nice deep breath in. Feel all that love. Feel how bright that is. And now this time on the exhale, I want you to move it up. Push it up into your throat. And this time a little brighter. Make it into your heart center again. And on the exhale, you're going to push it up to your ascension chakra at the base of your skull. Get that channel open. That's what we're working on here. Another deep breath in from your heart. And up to the third eye. Just feel everything lighting up like a beautiful Christmas tree. Another heart chakra breath in. And this time up to the crown. Let's get her opened up. That's it. Do that one more time. Nice heart chakra in. And then a push up to the crown. And this time we're going for all the marbles. One more. Into the heart. And this time we're going to blast it right open. So on the exhale, push it up through the throat, ascension chakra, third eye, and then boom, right out the top of the crown. Let's see some fireworks there. That's it. That's perfect. She's cracked wide open and ready for business. Now take this one from the heart again, and I want you to reach up. We're going to take all that energy and push all the way up, about 2 feet above you, to our soul star chakra. And I want you to light that up. That, my friend, is 5D. That's where the higher self lives. That's where we have our little world in 5D, our sacred space there. So just go to that sacred space, whatever it may look like. I want you to journey over to your crystal pyramid. We've been there before. If you haven't, then construct one now. This beautiful crystal pyramid of energy, of light and love, and of actual crystal. I want you to walk over right to the entrance. Take a bow. Take that moment to be in this moment. To be very conscious and aware of what you're doing. And now step inside. And by the door, there's your fire pit with violet flame. What I'd like you to do is to step into that. So now you can purify yourself. So that you can transmute any negative energy that you're carrying with you from 3D. And you're going to transmute that into beautiful white light. So go ahead and step into that fire pit and just get bathed in beautiful violet fire. Just feel yourself lightening up. See all of those little dark spots just popping like firecrackers as your energy gets purified. Now I want you to go inside, and at the center of the pyramid, there's a beautiful crystal bed. A large block of beautiful rose quartz. The energy of love. And go ahead and lay down on that, make yourself comfortable. I want you to feel it vibrating ever so finely. I'd like you to be aware of the pyramid as well, and how it too is vibrating on a very fine, very high frequency. Now just relax, loosen all your muscles, like you're ready to go to sleep. Get comfortable. And you notice as you look up at the apex of the pyramid, a vortex begins to open. A vortex of beautiful white light begins to spin and get brighter and brighter and brighter. This energy descends down very gently onto your body, and you feel it automatically. You feel it in the cells of your skin. They begin to dance around. It's a beautiful sensation. It's as if every cell in your body is getting massage. The light gets more intense and more intense. Even the space in between the cells is lighting up with this beautiful, rejuvenative, tender light. And it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. Moves into every muscle. And you know they ache. And just feel it from your shoulders work its way up your neck and into your head. Down your arms, throughout your entire body. Down your legs, right down to your feet. Every muscle feels this beautiful light, this beautiful rejuvenation. It goes deep into the tissue as it gets brighter and brighter. Now it starts to work on all your organs. One by one, they all light up. They all vibrate at different frequencies, and this light goes one by one to their frequency, lighting them up. Brighter and brighter and brighter. Cleansing them, caressing them, showing them the love that they need. I'd like you to take a minute right now to direct that light, to ask it, please pay special attention to this area of my body, this organ. It needs some extra love. Just guide it right there and feel it. Feel it go into whatever issues need to be addressed. And let it do its magic. Finally, the light gets so bright, It even goes into your bones and your cartilage and rejuvenates them, strengthening them, making them new again, making the cartilage strong and pliable, and the bones strong. Just feel that. Take a moment and just feel your entire body glowing. Finally, the light gets brighter and brighter and brighter until boom, it blankets you in an explosion of rejuvenative light. When you're ready, I'd like you to come back to your sacred space, to feel yourself getting showered with those beautiful 5D sparks as you start to wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes and come back into this 3D sacred space. Take a bow. Thank your crystal pyramid and all the energies that are there that help you. And know you can always go back there anytime you want. That's your space and you can do whatever you want in it. You can create whatever you want. That's your 5D sacred site. Thanks for coming on this journey with me, my friends. Love and light.